how to add payment methods to your Shopify store. So here from the left hand side, we will choose settings, and I'm going to explain the different payment methods and how you can set them up. So if we choose payments from the left hand side, then you should be able to see Shopify payments. If we scroll down, you will be able to see PayPal payments, as well as manual payment methods, which I have set up right here, and the payment method customizations. So let's go one by one. So Shopify payments right here, if we want to set them up, we will click on manage, and you can see the different types of cards that are accepted. So for example, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Diners Club. If you want to uncheck or not accept any of those types, you will simply uncheck this box and click on save. Another thing here, you can also accept Shop Pay and the different wallets. So for example, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Meta Pay, and Amazon Pay. You will need to sign in into Amazon if you want to accept Amazon Pay actually. So I'm just going to go back here into my payments. And if you want to not accept Google Pay, for example, we will uncheck this. And we can do how often we want to get paid. So every business day, every week, every month. And we will need to apply some other information here. And once you have completed this info fill out here, you will click on save at the bottom. So that was for the Shopify payments themselves. If we want to get paid by PayPal, then we will scroll down right here and we will see an option to activate PayPal as a payment method. So right here, we will click on activate, and it will take us to the PayPal page itself. We need to type out our email address and click on next and basically log in into PayPal. And this will connect our PayPal account, and we can now use it as a payment method on Shopify. And another thing that I have set up right here is the manual payments method. So as you can see, I have Cash App payment set up. So what that basically means, if I click on manage here, you can give details about how people can pay you. So for example, I've set up here, send me the payment through this link on Cash App, and I have input my Cash App link. So if people copy this and they go to this link here, it will basically refer them to my Cash App. They can scan this QR code and they can send me the payment this way. So you can do this for any other manual payment method that you would like to receive. For example, if they do it through a bank or through some other third-party provider, you can explain how they can pay you. And then you click on save here, and they will be able to see this as a payment method. So you really have three different ways of accepting payments. So Shopify payments here, like I just showed you from the managed section, but you will need to supply your business info. If you want to accept PayPal payments, then you will need to activate your PayPal by following the steps that I showed you previously. And if you want to add a manual payment method, so for example, the one that I just showed you with Cash App, then you click on manual payment method, and here you click on create custom payment method. You can do bank deposit, you can do money order or cash on delivery, and then you write the instructions here for your payment method. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.